We have a 30-year-old snowblower here, an ST824, and it has served me really well. So I was doing the normal end of winter, put it to sleep for the summer, and I found that and oh, by the way, the reason I can do that is I've drained the gas and I've drained the oil. So before I put it to sleep, I'll put oil back in it, but there's no gas in it anymore. So what we found was a lot of slop in the axle. That axle bearing's no good. So we're going to replace the bearings in these axles, on these axles. So let's get started. And I'm going to assume the first place you start is you take the wheels off. Wonder what surprises we'll find in here. Not much. So let's see. That's going to have to come off. We got a roll pin here. Let's take this roll pin out. Well, it went down in there. Gonna have to get a magnet. One roll pin. Now I wonder what's holding that thing. Oh, we got another roll pin over here. All right. Gotta get that axle out. So I think we take these bolts out next. So remember, this thing's 30 years old. All right, so here's the bearing. Looks like this end sticks out further than that end. This bearing's in pieces. Or maybe that's just a shim. That looks like just a shim, maybe. And then we got a bearing here. And I'd say that bearing is pretty shot. It's missing balls. All right, so let's put the new ones in. I'll put the shim in. There's a spline in there. Get this shim over here. And take this axle. And we got to get it into the spline. Like so. Put that shim up. Get this roll pin, put the roll pin back in. Roll pin's back in place. Let's stick this other bearing in here with the lip out. There we go. That's not right. Oh, that's right, because the axle's not in yet. Now we'll put the stub axle in. Get that to go on the spline. Okay, all the slop is gone. Now we gotta put this roll pin in. And that goes into this thing. Straight up and down. Straight up and down. Like that. Put the tires back on. Okay. That seems to run much smoother. Oh, we got a little string in there from a belt. I'll get a pair of needle nose and pull that out of it. There we go. All right, so let's get a little grease and put some grease in there. There's one grease fitting on the axle. There's one grease fitting on this pilot bushing. There's one grease fitting here, right there. Got them all. All right. Put the cover back on. All that's left to do is to put some oil in this thing. and ready for next winter. Put some oil in there. And we fixed that bearing. Okay. You can get these bearings for about $14 online. I ended up going to a parts store because I couldn't figure out which ones to get. They had bushings and bearings, and it was based on serial number as to which one got what. This one is in the 3100 series, 31,000 series, which means it gets the bearings. Okay. 2 dead bearings. We'll clean up the floor here, and we'll put some oil in there, and we'll put it away for the winter. Good deal. Thank you.